Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started here. This is the first trade on the 30th. The week started on the 29th, but there was no trade on 29th. Market was very ranging. So the first trade happened on the 30th. This is 95 pip. This is pound Aussie. Beautiful long setup here. SL moved to break even plus. This is my buy order here. All the trades taken by the setup, nothing random. We have to have a setup to take the entry. And the setup is this yellow line above the black. This indicates all the way down, turning to the upside. Red candle turns blue, and price making higher high. Oh, sorry, higher low. All right. So these are the four conditions, and then only then, when blue candle starts to go up, then I place the order. Just the opposite for short. So this is the first one. Second one. This is the second trade, exactly the same setup. You can see yellow line is above the black, this indicator, higher low, entry, red candle turns blue, and I open the trade. Pound Newsy for 95 pip on the 30th, same day. On the 31st, a lot of trades happened. This is just the opposite of I just showed you the setup, right? So yellow line is below the black, this indicates all the way top, turning to the bottom, price. The blue candle is now turning red and trend is down. So I open the sell order here, and once it's gone a little bit in distance, then I move my SL to break even plus 90 pip on EUR-USD on the 31st. Now here on the 31st, Euro Yen, same kind of setup, 60 pip to the downside. Sell order there. New Yen, same kind of setup. You can see here, exact same setup, and 100 pip on 31st. On 31st, pound yen as well, beautiful short setup, and down for 50 pip only. Aussie yen down here, same kind of setup for 80 pip on the 31st. On the 31st, USD franc went up, and it is for 95 pip. And US 30 here, you can see it from 32.919 to 32.775, same kind of setup, exactly the same. 31st, again, Euro CAD, short setup down for 75 pip. 31st, Euro Yen also went down for 85 pip. That was the first one, and then it retraced, then the second one. And here, pound USD on the 1st June now. Okay, this is a long, beautiful long setup. You can see it was ranging. All of a sudden, it opened up and dropped here to make a beautiful long setup. And buy order and SL, it was at the time the SL was around like 5 or 7 pip risk. I forgot to move it to the upside. On the 1st June, Euro Aussie, beautiful setup all the way down to 75 pip. And last but not the least is you can see here US 30, such a beautiful trade, beautiful setup, and big time. It went up even higher than that. So this is a beauty about this setup, that you can trade gold, commodities, stocks, bonds, anything that you can open in MT4. This indicator works in MT4. My system is for MT4, and anything you can open, you can trade with this system. And the way you trade by the setup, we have to have setup. Setup has 4 conditions. If they are met, then you open the trade. And once the setup is done, then the alarm beeps. So you don't have to watch all the charts all day long. You just set up the alarm, put up the alarm on the charts, open the charts, put the alarm, and that's it. When the alarm beep, you know the setup is built, and then you just have to come and take the trade. All right, so this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, then go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com. I think I have it open here. Yes, this is CTS. And you can go here and then sign up for either monthly service or one-on-one. I have a discount going on 40% on that 10-hour course over the Zoom live with me. All right, so I'll teach you every single thing and make you master of all this mumbo jumbo. Then a very good chart for the next week would be this. I'm looking into it, USD Yen daily chart. This is wave 1, 2, and we are going for wave 3. A long way to go. Right now it's 139. We're talking about going to 146. All right. So this is how it is. This Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, followed by 4, 5, and harmonic pattern is cooking here 38 to this to 88%. So they are both coming in this direction here, this area, the wave 3. So and there are also a lot of very, very good prominent setups. So yeah, so if you become a part of it, then you get all of these. Right. So I'll be doing my webinar tomorrow, Sunday, 4 p.m. So if you want to know what is coming into the next week, just sign up and be a part of my webinar and start learning. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get setups like that when I upload my videos to YouTube channel. All right, so this is a very, very good setup, and I have plenty of others. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.